What is the digital marketing? Digital marketing is the process of sharing your business details on social media and sharing publicly for awareness. In digital marketing, we are creating many accounts on social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp group, Pinterest, etc. After creating the social media account, we share the details about our product or services in different formats. What is the importance of digital marketing? Digital marketing is a way to share proper information, share advantage of services and products, how customers use products and services, easy to connect with thousands of people, share proper guidance with your customers, and a lot of benefits of digital marketing. How can we do digital marketing? If you want to share a normal post by yourself, but if you want the best solution, then you need to hire an expert digital marketing company from India. Now, what's the process? You can create posts with free tools or paid tools. After creating, submit the post or video on social media channels. With the post or video, share your contact information and business profile like business name, website URL and email address, and contact number. If you want digital marketing for your business, with the perfect team in company, please connect with us. Thank you.